Hello, everybody. Welcome to my Ultimate Design course. This is a 3-week program focused on helping students learn how to search smarter. We will explore strategies for searching more easily and effectively. The course is designed for students in grades 6 to 8. This is a hybrid course. Weeks 1 and 2 are delivered online, and week 3 happens in classroom setting. We begin with an introduction section that includes a welcome message here explaining the course structure and the format. Let's go to the next page, which is the course overview here that outlines 3 weeks of engaging and purposeful lessons, a creative final project which happens in the classroom, and also some activities like readings, watching videos, and reflection. And the course objective here, as you can see, by the end of the course, students will be able to understand the search engine ranks and how search engine ranks and deliver results, use Boolean operator and filters, evaluate online content for reliability and credibility, analyze the impact of algorithm and personalization, and also create a project to teach others how to search more effectively. And here is the material, technology, and accessibilities. Uh, let's go to the next page, which is the course navigation and learning journey. The course follows a clear structure. Weeks 1 and 2 are online, and weeks 3 is in person. I've also organized the topics, key activities, and assessment here accordingly. And there is also a short About Me section to help break the ice as we practice in our course TEP 820. My email content is also available for students. And finally, I've included a section for announcements. Students will be informed of updates here. And then let's go back to the weeks. As you can see, week 1 is about how search engines work. And also, as you can see, at the beginning of each week, students are presented with a roadmap that includes a week format, due date, and a preview of what they will learn, along with clearly stated learning outcomes. Each week include some sections like read, watch, and learn. For the first section, they're gonna learn a little about the new topics here, which is how search engine works. And there are some videos and articles to help them learn more deeply, some additional videos, and also an activity, which is here the search engine node organizer. They're gonna fill this do this activity by answering to the question. Let me show you the node organizer. They're gonna find their name here, answer to those questions, and let's go to the next page, which is using keyword. It's using keyword, and here again, students are gonna learn how to use keywords effectively and apply search filters. And this section also includes some short explanation here and a helpful video and an interactive activity. In the activity, let me show you. Students are provided with a list of search prompts and asked to choose at least two these questions. Here are the questions. And then they will perform searches using different keyword strategies. Take screenshot of their result, which includes the first 3 links that pops up, and upload their screenshot to the Slack. They also created an optional step as an activity that a student can review and comment on their peers if they find something interesting or learn new something from their peers, their classmates. And there are here some tips for the next section, they're going to compare different search engines. Here, they focus on the algorithm and the role of personalization in shaping search result. They're going to work with three different search engines here, and then they're going to have an activity. They're going to learn, watch videos. Actually, it's not the videos, it's just explanation. And let me show you the activity. As you can see, for each activity, they will receive clear step-by-step instructions, including objective, times, a role, task, and rules, and also rubric and expectation. And here is the roadmap for the week 2. And as you can see, the format, the due date, and the learning objective and outcomes. And in this section, students are introduced to Boolean logic through a short and just through a short explanation and a video. Uh, there are also some other videos that they can watch and which is really easy to follow. And then for the next section, students are introduced to two kind of tools for evaluating online content, and uh, there is the explanation step by step how to use those tools uh, or methods. And here they will learn the key differences between these methods uh, and when each one might be more effective. This section also includes videos and clear explanation and comparison table. Now let's go to the next page, which is the activity. Here is the rubric table, and let me show the activity again. Step-by-step instructions and tasks and rules and roles. In the activity, students will apply what they have learned by choosing one or two real life scenarios where they can explain how to search effectively, and also step by step they need to explain and pay attention to the rubrics. Now let's go to the last week, which happens in the classroom setting. Here's the roadmap. And in this week, students will become the teacher because the learning works best when they teach it to someone else. So they're gonna imagine that they are teaching to someone else's how to search online in a smart, reliable way. In this activity, they will need to organize their tips, choose real examples, and be super clear when explain each part. And here's the learning outcome. And here is also the step-by-step instructions for the activity. They're gonna create their own search toolkit presented to others. Actually, I forgot to say that it's gonna be in the group of 3 in the classroom. So it's gonna be task, roles, and rules again. And when they are explaining what they have learned to another person in the classroom, they're gonna ask and answer questions like why did they choose that search example? How does the filter helps? They will explain everything like a teacher or instructor. And also here is the assessment rubric. And the last part of the unit is the unit evaluation form.